If you want to start using Wise, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To find the Wise account number, click any currency. In this case, I choose Australian dollar. As you can see under the amount, if you are verified, it will show manage account instead of verify for account details. So the set of numbers you will see once you click the manage account, or when you click the account of currency you choose, the set of numbers in there is the Wise account number of your currency account, and that applies to all. And that's how you find a Wise account number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.